Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can share your Fiverr gig. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open the Fiverr app here, and after that we have to go to the profile icon. We have to click on this icon, and after clicking on this profile icon, as you can see, you will be able to see share my gig option here. So let's click on this share my gig, and now simply we have to choose the gig, that which gig you want to share. For example, I want to share this one, so I'm going to click on this. And now simply, as you can see, the first option is share with friends. If you want to share this with the Facebook, you can also do that. Or if you want to copy the link, you can also do that. As you can see, link is copied to the clipboard. If you want to share this with different methods, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on the more options, and after clicking on the more option, as you can see, you will be able to see different options here. If you want to share through mail, WhatsApp, business notes, and every option is provided here. So in this way, you can share your Fiverr gig. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.